First, place a dot or sticker in line with the center of the thigh. Normally this will be around the first belt loop on your jeans. Place the next dot in line with the outseam of your jeans. These first two dots can be under, on, or over your belt depending on where you want the top of your chinks to lay. Next, place a dot in the center of the thigh in line with the crotch. Now place another sticker on the outseam of the jeans in line with the crotch. Find the center of the knee and place a dot on the outseam of the jeans in line with the center of the knee. Place a dot 1 inch below the dot in line with the crotch. Then place another dot 4.5 inches below the dot in line with the crotch. The last dot is going to go on the place where you want your chinks to end, including fringe. To measure the waist, we want to put the tape measure in the place where the top of your chinks will lay. Make sure that it is not twisted and is laying flat all around your waist. We will start by measuring widths. Place the tape measure around the widest part of the thigh, which should be at that crotch line. If the dots that you placed are not where the tape measure fits comfortably, then move the dots. Make sure that you keep the tape measure horizontal. Now move the tape measure down to measure the thigh 1 inch lower to measure the upper thigh. Measure the mid-thigh, which should be about 4.5 inches from the widest part of the thigh. Also, measure the center of the knee when it's slightly bent. Keeping the tape measure at the top of the outseam, measure down the leg, marking the measurements from the top to the crotch, upper thigh, mid-thigh, and knee. Now hold the tape measure at the sticker on the front center thigh and measure the crotch where the chinks will lay. Make sure the person being measured is looking straight ahead at this point because looking down will affect the measurements. Keeping the tape measure at the top of the center thigh, measure the total length of the chinks. This will include the length of the fringe.